This bird can imitate your voice perfectly. This is a parrot, but it's not just any parrot. This parrot can mimic the voices of humans so well that it's almost impossible to tell the difference between its voice and yours. It can also repeat phrases and sentences almost verbatim. These birds are known as mimic parrots. They're famous for being able to copy sounds from other animals, including dogs, cats, frogs, and even pigs. But what makes them such good mimics is their ability to learn new sounds and words by listening to them over and over again. This means that if you spend enough time with a mimic parrot, it will eventually start to sound like you. And the more you talk to it, the better it will get at mimicking your voice. So if you want a pet that can truly sound like you, then a mimic parrot might be the perfect bird for you.